Here's what I do when my skin is flaking and peeling and feeling overly sensitive from retinoids. Firstly, I'll stop using the retinoids, and I mean all retinoids: retinol, retinal, tretinoin, adapalene. I also avoid exfoliation, including exfoliating cleansers, and I focus on gentle cleansers like creams and oils with no acids. This Kate Somerville goat milk one is my favourite. If the peeling is really irritating you, you can go in circular motions with your cleanser, and this should really help to gently slough it off. You want to be gentle with your skin. Make sure you're not using overly cold or hot water when you wash your face. In terms of the rest of my routine, I'll keep things really simple and look for products with ceramides like this Glow Recipe serum. And in terms of moisturizer, I like to use a barrier repair cream until my skin is back to normal. You may only need to do this routine for a few days, but for some people it could take a few weeks. Listen to your skin and don't reintroduce your exfoliants or